Greetings to you, curious soul, in loving meditation, which has healing properties for the physical body, but mostly the physical heart, and also the inner inflammation, as the energy, the true inner self-love, literally blocks and automatically reflects the bad energies, which in the painful place intensifies the pain and also suppresses the inflammation in the body, which can be completely healed, but only by regular, concentrated listening to this love meditation, and it takes some time. So, what do you get from this meditation? First, you will most immediately get rid of the penetrating pain, mostly in the heart area. Second, long-term listening for about 2 days, for about 1 month, for the reason then you don't listen to the meditation daily, it then temporarily loses its power. You can get complete elimination of internal inflammatory pains, mostly in the heart area, which can shoot up into the left or right hand. Third, you will be pleasantly calmed and have, by the end of the listening, a much better mood and overall good feeling, as I put 100% focus and professional authentic approach and energy into each meditation. Before the meditation begins, lie down comfortably, as with this meditation, it is best and still good to either lie on your back with your legs bent together, or preferably on your left side with your knees tucked in again against your stomach, so called the position when the stomach hurts or the body gases are stuck, but more relaxed, not pushing the knees to the stomach to force. The body must be without tension, just lay it down and on the left side. This is really important. Most people think that body gas is only a result of digestion and bloating, but that is not all. It is also a subtle getting rid of energies that the body no longer needs, as negative energies accumulate not only in the mind and emotions, but also in the abdomen. Now, to put it a little more humorously, a good fart is like a little exorcism for the gut, and that will help us a lot in this meditation as well. So, I'm sure you have got your position picked out and we can get started. Close your eyes and do a confident inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth, or inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose, but not inhale through the mouth. Imagining in your mind and imagination only yourself, as if no one else exists, with the utmost self-love and self-acceptance, loving yourself as you are, or as you are. It could be because you are the biggest joker in your group and people and friends love you for it, or you are a loving father or mother to your wonderful children or child, completely egoless, using only pure inner loving love in your consciousness, imagining what makes you happy in your life, or what would make you happy, even if it may not be so yet. The scenarios may be mixed. It may be more than one thing or person that makes you happy, or maybe yet to make you happy. And don't forget to keep breathing in through your nose and out through your nose, whatever you want. We have to trigger real love first in your body and it is best triggered by real imagery of what we love, and by the fact that we each love something different, or that joy and happiness together with love brings us something different. We will start with yourself in a moment when I guide you on your own meditation, because you will be well prepared and better connected to it. So what? Have you found yours yet? And does it feel good when you think about it? Take a moment to bathe in that feeling and indulge yourself, because you deserve it and you know you have something to live for for and love to feel. Just imagine it with the healing music in the background, and let me slowly lead you to the real beginning of this powerful meditation. Bring your attention to my voice and trust that all is safe and you need not fear. Flow with me in this consciousness of love, bliss, peace, and above all physical health. Imagine flying in the great infinite universe and all the stars shining golden. The color gold is not a mere invention, but it is a common color, symbolizing the heart chakra. It is concentrated to the opening of the heart. It helps to heal emotional blocks and also deepens more self-love. As we fly through this universe, surrounded by these healing stars, let's find the constellation of love and speak to it. We come across a beautiful golden constellation reminiscent of the hunter. It has a beautiful 81 golden energetic stars, and its name is Orion. It is very powerful, but unfortunately it does not about with the symbol of love. So say along with me and help me to find it. We avoid a pair of asteroids and sail to another golden constellation with 13 beautiful stars. This constellation is called Phoenix. It is a symbol of immortality and rebirth. Beautiful, powerful, but for your purpose, it's not essential. So we just picture it in your heads with its 13 stars, even though we may not know what it really looks like, but we let our imagination work, and with love, we slowly say goodbye and sail on. We pass a comet, we can even spot a spaceship in the distance, and we look around for another constellation, which amazingly enough we do find, and it does shine an incredible 125 golden beautiful stars, but only 7 of them shine unbelievably. And yes, it is the famous Big Dipper, or if that doesn't ring a bell, inside it there is a part of its constellation, the Big Dipper. But the Dipper is a symbol of protection, of maternal power, but unfortunately we are not looking for that either, and we shall look a little further, and I believe we will be successful this time. We fly into another part of the universe, passing a few unknown planets and arriving at the constellation that is the largest in today's meditation, containing an incredible 220 stars and resembling the shape of a beautiful swan. And yes, finally we are at our destination, this largest constellation for today, symbolizing love, fidelity, and spiritual connection is what we are looking for. Let's imagine it even realistically. We don't need to know exactly what it looks like, just the shape of a beautiful swan, and we will feel it in your minds and infinite imagination with golden light. Let us imagine this constellation filled with flowing, shimmering golden light, symbolizing true, eternal love, and in your minds we speak to it. I ask you, noble constellation of the swan, give me a piece of your power and love that I need from you for my cleansing from the evil energies that have blocked my mental and loving well-being and hurt my physical health and peace of mind. Begin your radiant inner healing of my body and fill it with the powerful and unitive power of love, which is the greatest antidote to all negative influences. Thank you, and thank you once again out of love. We will repeat once more. I ask you, noble constellation of the swan, to give me a piece of your power and love that I need from you for my cleansing from the evil energies that have blocked my mental and loving well-being and hurt my physical health and peace of mind. Begin your radiant inner healing of my body and fill it with the powerful and unitive power of love, which is the great antidote to all negative influences. Thank you, and thank you once again, you of love. With all due respect and wonderful loving fulfillment, take me by the hand in your imagination. Imagine me as you wish, even as a magical thing that guides you through the universe. It doesn't matter what here, but it's time to go. You are endowed with great healing power and you are cleansed. Hold on tight and imagine yourself slowly but intensely descending to the ground, back to where you are now lying, passing the last few stars and heading right back to your bed, to which I am returning you in your powerful imagination right now. But your eyes are still closed and you need to enjoy this beautiful trip and energy. Therefore, keep breathing in through your nose, exhale whatever is comfortable, and with your eyes still closed, lightly curl the fingers on both hands. After you do this, bring your attention to both feet and curl the toes slowly. Then you can do all at once and at the end, a little head from side to side, just a little, and at the very end, open your eyes slightly. You can close them again and repeat like that 2 or 3 times and then open them completely and welcome your feet firmly on the ground from a beautiful, energetic and purifying healing consciousness. Thank you for your attention and wanting to be a better person, and I also hope to see you together for another meditation, ASMR or spiritual advice. If you are interested in anything more or want to make a product on a topic that intense too, please visit my Instagram, which you will find on the page where you purchase the product with love from the heart and with honest, your worthy wolf.